15 जुलयाक खुनाचो यत्न केल्ल्या प्रकरणात मडगांव पुलिशेंत एक FIR नोंद जाल्ली. राजा तलवार उर्फ टायगर राजा, विपुल, गोपुल आनी पांडे सादीक ह्या आरोप्यांक ताब्यात घेतल्या म्हूण मडगांव PI कपिल नायकान म्हायती दिल्या. अर्डेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
On 15th July, in early morning at 3 o'clock, we had registered crime of attempt to murder on 6 persons. There is namely Raja Talwar, Arash, Tiger Raja, one Vipul, one Gokul, one Pandey, and one Sadiq, who assaulted one Maqbul Khan near fire station Akin with a chopper and sustained him grievous injuries on head, left side of stomach and left shoulder. So in this connection we registered the offence and we started our investigation. So after committing the crime, all the 6 accused absconded and were underground. So during the investigation, we were on the track of the accused, and yesterday we got a clue that the accused are at Ellapur, Karnataka. So my team, headed by Suraj Gaons, LIB staff Gorakhnath Gaons and Bablu Zore, proceeded to the Ellapur and managed to nab the 3 accused who were there at Ellapur. That is Raja Talwar, one Vipul Pattari and Sadiq Ahmad Sheikh. So along with these accused, one more person was detained, that is Damodar Janappa Naik, who was accompanying him, and they disclosed that he was also involved in the said crime. So we detained all the 4 accused persons and brought them at the police station and placed under arrest. So now 2 more accused are remain, that is Unman and Gokul. So we will arrest them very soon, and we will from these arrested accused, our investigation is in progress to recover the weapon used for the assault.